And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 261. Let me show you an easy text image blend effect. We use an image and activate the type tool, the text tool right here. T is the shortkey for it. Type in something, for example summer, and you can use its properties right here to change the font or below the style. We make it a bit bigger. You can type that in or simply left click here on this icon and then drag it to the right side. It should be enough. When you've got your size, press Ctrl A, move to its active, and then I can use the top menu right here to center it. Press Ctrl J on my image and put it to the top. Then right click on it and use Create Clipping Mask. This clips it to my text. And now I've got various options to create this blend effect. Number one is right click on your text element, try to find the blending options. And then simply add a drop shadow. You can drag it around on a canvas directly, so left click drag here for the position. Increase the opacity to make this a bit stronger. Another thing that you could try is the stroke, but I like the drop shadow way more. Confirm we're okay. Now switch back to the image that's clipped, and then you can reposition that a little bit. Be careful though, because at some point it's not big enough anymore. So what you can also do is simply to press Ctrl T and then size it a little bit up. So this offsets the image a little bit inside of the text, and this kind of like helps to create this blend illusion effect. Finally, another option is to try out bevel and emboss on your text element. So yet again, right click, blending options, check the box for bevel and emboss. Make sure that opacity is both cases here, general blend and advanced, set to 100%. And also add a contour. The range, you should go low here. Forget about the texture, it doesn't really help us here. But as I've said, I personally like the drop shadow, it's more intense. And this is how you can create this text image blend effect in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.